Today, I'll be editing a video here in CapCut, and at the same time, I'll show you how to export your video using the best TikTok export settings. So if you're a content creator on TikTok, stay tuned. This is going to be really helpful for you. So I already prepared a clip here. Then let's add some captions and maybe a zoom effect to make it more dynamic. Also make sure your aspect ratio is 9:16, since that's the standard for TikTok. Look, just click on Format. At the bottom, then choose 9:16 Portrait. Okay, now that we're done editing, let me show you the correct export settings for TikTok. First, click the export icon on the upper right corner. For resolution, choose 1080p. That gives you good quality without using too much storage. For frame rate, select 60 FPS so the video plays smoothly, especially if it's fast-paced. For encoding, leave it as default, usually H.264. That's perfectly fine. Now just click Export, then wait for it to finish. After that, you can upload it straight to TikTok or open the TikTok app and upload from there. You can also press Share to TikTok to export directly if your account is already connected. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.